Oh boy. Oh boy. Howdy, y'all. Are you excited to see what I got from Supreme Spring Summer 2019 week 0 or week 1? I sure am, because I have no clue what I got. Just kidding, yes I do. That would be sad if I didn't know what I got. I almost got everything I wanted. There was a couple items I didn't get what I want. You'll see. I'll explain it here in a second. We gotta get thumbnails. Alright, we're Gucci. Yeah, I almost got everything I wanted, which was nice. I usually don't cook this well. We'll see if I cook this well the rest of the season. Who knows? But I guess let's just get right into it, because my last video was really long, and so this one's gonna be clear and concise. We'll start with the smaller, I guess, the shorter supply. I don't even forget. I just try to explain anything away. I guess we'll start with the stickers that I got. So on this one, you probably just heard what it was. So on this one we got, let me get right up in the camera. We got the Supreme Grill sticker, and we got the fruit stickers, and then we got the box logo sticker. Really excited about this. It's nice getting, stickers for stuff you didn't actually get, because you can say you got it, or, you can sell that for something. So that's cool. It's nice seeing some of the stickers that came out this season. Neateroni and cheese. I'm glad to say we cooked on the free gift this season, boys. We actually got the freaking stupid shower cap. First week. Got it. Is that not amazing? Really happy because I can display this, and as you saw, it says Spring Summer in 2019 on it, so that's really cool. I did try this on. I'll probably wear, you'll see, I'll probably wear one during the rest of the video at some point, but yeah, it's shower cap. Actually, let me just do that now. I'm glad I got the one box I did, because this one, if you can see that's just jacked up, brother. Mom said she heard somebody just, like, chuck this at the door. I'm assuming this is what took the brunt of the damage, was this. So since this box is, I'll use this one. Sicko mode. Is that what the kids say these days? Sicko mode? I don't know. I look like a grandma. So this is what I was able to cook, or one of the things I was able to cook that I actually really, really wanted, and I'm really glad I was able to get this. It's the Supreme Sig water bottle. It's really nice when you get it in hand. The color contrast is excelente. They did a really good job with this one. It's still focused on me. Yeah, there we go. They did a really good job with this one. It actually carries a lot more than I think it does. It's a 1 liter bottle, which if I'm correct, it's like 2 bottles of water. Like normal sized bottles of water. You won't be able to see anything in that. I don't know why I just did that, but it kind of gives you an insight what the inside looks like. It's really cool. I wanted a new bottle because I've had the same Yeti for like a year now, so I wanted something different. And I thought this one was cooler. I liked them both, but I think this one was a little bit better than the black one, just because it's, what Supreme's known for, the red and white. So yeah, I'm really happy to be able to get this. Relatively no problem. I got it on the app, and it was like right away, so no problem with this. That was nice. Definitely gonna use this tomorrow. Probably get some pictures with it, because it's super sick. I just need to wash it out, because it does smell like shit. I've already smelled it, but it probably tastes like shit too. So there's Supreme Sig water bottle. Comes wrapped up in a little nice dingling. So cool. Now in this bag is the goody goodies. So in this sticker pack we got the Celtic looking one and more of the fruit tea ones. So that's kind of cool. And obviously more box logos. Can't get enough of the box logos, obviously. We got, so yeah, you saw we got 2 shower caps. Somehow I got 2 of them. I must be blessed, because they dunked me on the ball. Can you see it? in the black box. In that general area, there's a ball. I had to order that separately because they never sent me one. But no, I get the shower cap, the one I don't want. I get 2 of them. Anywho, no hard feelings. I love you, Supreme. I was able to get 2 t-shirts this first week, like I did last time. Last season I got the bottle cap tee and the liquid tee. I kept this liquid tee and I actually just sold the bottle cap tee actually. So I don't know if I made any money on it. I think I made like a couple bucks maybe, but that's beside the point. I was able to cook 2 teas this week, and they're 2 teas I actually really wanted. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep both of them, but I just wanted to get both of them. You can probably tell from the color which one I got. This one is the Creeper Tee in large. That graphic is sick as hell. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I really want this, and I really want it in the red one, and I was able to get it. Size large. Really excited about this one. I don't really have many red shirts, I don't think. If I do, I have like 2. But they don't have like really big graphics like this. I really like this. The graphics really cool. It's different for sure. It pops. Yeah, I'm probably gonna more than likely keep this one. This will probably be the one I keep if I sell either one of them. It probably won't be this one because I really like this one. And the other t-shirt I got was the kids tee. I love Satan. This one was really cool too. I liked the graphic. You know, not because I love Satan. Just I thought it was cool. There's just something about it, just the innocence, and then kind of how the kid's wearing a Supreme shirt, and it's kind of like, it corrupts the youth, and blah, blah, blah. Got this one in a size large as well, I hope. Should be. Yeah. So I'm excited about this, and I got it in the blue colorway, which is the one they advertised, basically. So I was able to get both the t-shirts in the colors they advertise, which is usually the one that is worth more. So that was nice. I was really excited about getting that. Like I said, if I was going to sell one, it'd probably be the kids one. I like it, but I don't like it as much as the Creeper one. But I'm glad I was able to get both of them because of the 2 t-shirts I actually really wanted. But yeah, that's what I was able to get. Supreme Season 19, or Supreme Spring Summer 19, Week 1, Week 0. I was able to get 3 things. That might not seem like a lot, but like when you're a manual user, it can be tough out in these streets. So I was glad I was able to get everything. I got both these in the same order, which like never happens. I usually have to do like multiple orders. Both these the same order. So $10 shipping for both of them. That was great. So I'll actually make a profit. I have to sell both of them. What? And like I said, I really wanted a bottle, and I was able to get one. I really like the colors on this. I like the grippy, Supreme-y thingy. Yeah, overall, I was really happy with week 1. I missed out on the formula stuff, and I really wanted those, but they sold out like almost instantaneously. It was ridiculous. So, and you win some, you lose some. The reselling those bad boys is ridiculous, so I'll probably never get any. But it's worth it to dream. That's probably the one thing I'll probably regret missing from this season is the formula stuff, because that was sick. But I'm really glad I was able to get to some more t-shirts, especially because it will be spring and summer, so you kind of need to get stuff for the occasion, you know what I mean, this season. But yeah, let me know what you guys cooked from week 1. Did you cook the same kind of stuff, or did you get lucky with the formula? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd really like to hear you guys' story about week 1 cooking, because I know it can be kind of a cluster. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like on it. Show some love for your shower cap wearing friendo. Comment if you liked these teas that came out. Were they okay, or did you prefer last season's? Let me know in the comment section below. And like I said, did you cook anything? What'd you get? Let me know. I'd like to hear what my watchers and subscribers all were able to get. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to stay updated on anything I do upload. Like I said, I'll probably start doing a Tuesday, Thursday schedule where I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. That way I can actually kind of have stuff come out on a somewhat regular basis, just because I don't really have the time to upload and film stuff like I would like to. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I cannot wait for more episodes like this where I show you guys what I was able to get, because we got more Supreme coming out Thursday of this week, or technically the day this video comes out, and some new Yeezys are coming out soon, so be on the lookout for that kind of stuff in the near future. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. I'm going to go take a shower now with this on. Until the next time, peace out, guys.